Good morning. Another episode of Bayou Pete Outdoors. This morning I got Mr. Crayon, Captain Skippy with me. We're going fish speckled trout again. Come along for the adventure. Just keep traveling till we get them. Oh, they always can. Oh, look. Look. First fish of the day. Let's see if he's a keeper. Oh, he might make it. I don't know. Ain't that pretty with the sun coming up? Always catch one right here, Crate. Where was the big one at this morning? Should they? Come on, Captain Skippy. Okay, another nice one. That's nice. Ooh. Another nice one this morning. Come on, Captain Skippy. It's funny you catch a couple that's there, huh? They're beautiful. Good, great. Missed him?
Yeah, whatever, I don't know. Might have been right at that, you know.
I mean, boats draw boats over there. Look, I was tucked out here all by myself. See if I can. Look. Look. Come on, Captain Skippy. Y'all leave in the comments, do y'all like to fish with lures? Go to the comments and let me know. Do y'all like to fish with lures or live bait? As you can see, I like to fish with lures. Today I'm fishing with a saltwater assassin chicken on a chain on a 1/4 ounce head. But leave in the comments if you like to fish lures. See if I... Do you want me to put your treble hook on there with a sinker? You're gonna get your run. Look at this pretty morning. Then you gotta let them hit it. There's a little wind. Oh, couple bites at least, right? Yeah, I ain't. That's the one I come over here for. I was just telling Captain Skippy I like to start out where I am because the hammers is over here. Now, let me at least show him where the fish this morning. They're gonna start. On the doubles. Fishing the double now. This is a little one, but at least he bit it. At least he bit it. On the doubles. You want a couple of these, Creighton?
My tackle box.
You want a couple? I got them right here. Probably got a couple in my pocket.
No, I don't want to use yours because you got that bad luck.
Another little one, I think. But we're right here on this ledge, Crate. Hey, at least they biting. Creighton got him one. And I got one too. Creighton's got one. A double. And I got one too. Both of us on the doubles. Two keepers. On the doubles. We both throwing doubles. Did you ever fish doubles? Leave it in the comments if you have. Oh, if that was a slick that big, we ain't got a big enough boat for all them fish. Stayed all night with the moon. Now you make excuse.
Yeah, that was a big moon last night. Everything does, uh-oh, he's close.
Uh-huh. I mean, right front the boat, Creighton. What's your favorite way to catch speckled trout, Creighton?
Apparently no way to.
Huh? Lures?
Lures.
Damn, I'm gonna build a monument, right? Oh, I talked too soon. It's just drifting in the water, watching you. Look, look what's going down. I don't even make it. Do you like to fish doubles? I like to fish doubles some days. Some days they won't touch a double. You got to be flexible. Here, Creighton, you want to hold me?
Yeah, let me touch it. I want to. Oh, that's what it feels like.
Look at that. Look. Wait, he gonna make it? Oh, he's got a little bit. He's got a little bit of size. Size matters, don't it, Creighton? So you want to just let it set a while, Creighton? What'd that tell you? Even though he's little, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Let me put the spot lock down, Creighton. Go ahead, Creighton. Oh, look at that nice one. Oh, is that the pig? What's the best way to catch a fish? We said, well, let's go, huh? Hold him up, Creighton. Isn't that beautiful? You just gotta aggravate him. That's a good one here. Just gotta aggravate him a little bit. Ain't that pretty coming through the water? Fishing lures. I think he'll make it. He's long. He's got a little longness about him.
Freaking.
Put the pole down, huh? Again. Pull my bait apart. Make it. Fall back yet. It's like a regular day. Well, this is better than a regular day. Look at that nice one. I told you it was going to be over here. Of course. Look at Craig. Look at that nice one. On lures.
much gas you think that some bitch uses a day running around like that?
I told you the other day what my dad used to say. I ain't never saw nobody catch a fish doing 40 miles an hour. Or running all the time. Ta-ta. Today. We was fixing the lead, and I went back. I made a little move where I went and found where this little draw is right here. It goes like this right here, and it's all shells.
Must be rusted out.
Right now, look. Now you see where that thing makes that little circle, Creighton? It's a little deeper right here. The deepness goes this way for a little further. Oh, I'm putting it up.
Alright. It hit the water and went straight down.
And we wanted to leave right here, huh? Oh, look at this pretty day. Life is good in Southeast Louisiana. Sportsman's paradise. This little draw right here, huh, Creighton? Holds some big fish. Look. On the doubles again. And Creighton's got one too. Creighton missed his.
Hitting on the quarter, huh?
Oh.
But you got the eighth on top.
It don't matter. Whatever one they see,
No,
I think.
it's all, they're all hitting the quarter. 'Cause I was just fishing my double with the eighth ounce head. I wouldn't get much of that.
Captain Skippy. Throw him in there.
Feels like a snag. Either that or it's just a big. Well, get it mounted.
Even a blind squirrel finds a nut sometime. Go ahead on with it, Creighton. He swung it and I didn't let him go. You know what I'm saying? He swung that. Look. If I could catch him like that. Corking it again. Get him, Creighton. We act like the fish aren't biting. It's about 8:20, and we don't need many more. Yeah, you knew I was taking you. Look. I think you could call this a little run right now, Creighton, huh? Well, this one's got little shoulders here. This one's got little shoulders on it. Got little shoulders. Inside crate now, blocking junk. Great. So I threw out my corn on its head. I didn't even click the bail. I had a fish. There's one.
Two.
Yeah. I thought I went over your line just now. Oh, single.
Single.
Yeah, yes. Look, right? Oh, look at that nice one, huh? Wow, look at this pig. Oh,
Get the
wow.
net. Look at him.
Wow.
Right there.
I keep moving around, okay? Just go round and round. And slow up a little bit. Oh, look at the cork. Oh, this one will make it. Oh, he's little. He felt bigger than he is. We got bites all day, huh? Ain't been long.
Mine pretty good.
Shoot. Just at the last right now. Yeah. Are you gonna make it? Oh, he's. Look at that nice one. I think we need like 3 crates or 2. I'm gonna count in a little while. Yeah, today you just gotta keep moving. Just keep traveling to catch our last couple. I looked at my watch, and Creighton had to tell me it was down. It's a nice one. This one's got little shoulders on him. There's a good fish here. Do y'all like to fish a cork? If you like to fish a cork, put it in the comments. Let me know. Creighton spotted me again. So me and Creighton's working as a tag team here. He spots it, and I catch
spot, he reels.
And I catch him. Wow. The man, the legend, the Captain Skippy.
Oh, he gonna make the team. I don't think we drifting anywhere after that breeze died.
Nope.
I'll just sit.
I'm going to get that one. Look how far you could throw that. That might be it. Oh, now he's getting a little legs soon. That might be it. That might be it today. Are you gonna make it? Oh. I'm gonna throw behind us. Where we come from. It's just fun fishing the doubles. You throw that a little further. He's got it. No. Well, it's just almost 9 o'clock. We're done. We had a good trip. I got Mr. Creighton. I thank him for coming with me today.
There you go.
We had a great trip today. It seems like it's slow, but we spoiled. They bit great. They bit great. But till the next time, you know, hit that subscribe button. But till the next time, get outside and have some fun like Bayou Pete and Skippy back there. A good fishing day today.